Picking the wrong dashcam means missing footage when you need it most, and nobody wants that. Today on Tools Query, we're breaking down the best 3-channel dashcams on the market, covering front, cabin, and rear all at once. We'll look at video quality, night vision, parking mode, app features, and price, so you find the perfect fit. Let's get into it. Number 1. Vantrue new N4 Pro S 3-channel dash cam. The Vantrue new N4 Pro S is the flagship pick on this list, and it earns that title with Sony Starvis 2 sensors across all 3 channels. You're getting crystal clear footage day and night, with a buffered parking mode that catches incidents even when the car is off. The supercapacitor design means it handles heat far better than battery-based models. It also supports up to 512 gigabytes of storage and connects via Wi-Fi with GPS tracking built in. The app experience is smooth, and license plate capture is genuinely impressive. If you want the absolute best image quality in a 3-channel setup, this is it. Next up, the REDTIGER F17 3-channel dash cam gives you 4K front recording, 1080 pixel cabin, and 1080 pixel rear at a price that doesn't make your wallet cry. It runs on 5 GHz Wi-Fi for snappy app connectivity and includes built-in GPS for trip tracking. IR interior night vision rounds out a seriously packed feature set. The 24-hour parking monitor and G-sensor emergency lock make it a reliable choice for daily drivers. It supports up to 256 GB micro SD and plays nice with a hardwire kit. For the price, nothing on this list delivers more value. A genuine Best Buy pick. Number 3. VIOFO, a 229 plus 3-channel dash cam. The VIOFO, a 229 plus dash cam, is the enthusiast's choice, and it's easy to see why. Instead of a single 4K front camera, you get 2K front plus 2K cabin, meaning your interior footage is just as sharp as what's happening outside. Sony Starvis 2 sensors and a supercapacitor make this a powerhouse in low light. It features 5 GHz Wi-Fi, GPS logging, buffered parking mode, and support for 512 GB storage. The firmware is mature, well-supported, and beloved by the dashcam community. If you're serious about documentation quality across all 3 channels, this one's for you. Number 4. Vantrue new N4 S 3-channel dash cam. The Vantrue N4S steps things up with a 4K front, 1440 pixel cabin, and 1080 pixel rear combo. That cabin resolution bump is rare and genuinely useful for rideshare drivers. Powered by Sony Starvis technology, low-light performance is outstanding across the board. Voice control adds a hands-free convenience that most competitors skip. With 5 GHz Wi-Fi, GPS, a supercapacitor, and buffered parking mode, this is a fully loaded package. Storage tops out at an impressive 512 GB. If you drive at night or work rideshare, the Vantrue is arguably the smartest buy on this list. Number 5. 70mm T800E 3-channel dash cam. The 70mm T800E brings a 4K front camera with triple-channel coverage, backed by one of the best mobile apps in the dashcam world. Smart alerts, GPS tracking, and advanced parking surveillance all work seamlessly through the 70mm ecosystem. Build quality feels premium from the moment you install it. Wi-Fi connectivity and clean app controls make managing footage genuinely effortless. It's a strong choice for drivers who want a smart, connected setup without the complexity of enthusiast-grade gear. Great for tech-forward commuters who want reliability and polish. Number 6. OMBAR T13 Channel Dash Cam. The OMBAR T1 is a feature-rich alternative that punches above its price point with Starvis-based imaging, GPS tracking, and Wi-Fi app control all included. Triple channel recording covers front, cabin, and rear with solid video quality throughout. High storage compatibility gives you room to record long trips without swapping cards constantly. Loop recording and parking surveillance work reliably, and the G sensor locks footage automatically on impact. It's a legitimate contender for buyers who want a well-spec'd cam without paying flagship prices. A solid all-rounder worth serious consideration. Number 7. Jzones 3 Channel Dash Cam. The Jzones 3 channel markets its Starvis sensor branding prominently and backs it up with 4K triple-channel recording, Wi-Fi, and GPS support. Loop recording, G-sensor protection, and parking surveillance are all present. Higher storage support gives it an edge over basic budget options. It's a feature-heavy alternative brand that delivers a lot on paper and generally holds up in practice. Some buyers will prefer an established name, but the specs here are hard to argue with for the price. Worth a look if you want GPS and 4K without a big spend. Number 8. Pelsee 3-channel dash cam. The Pelsee 3-channel hits the mainstream sweet spot. 4K front recording, triple monitoring, Wi-Fi connectivity, and parking mode without overcomplicating things. Installation is easy, and the build quality feels solid for the price range. Loop recording and G-sensor collision lock are handled reliably. It's a balanced mid-range option that works well for drivers who don't need flagship specs, but want more than a bare-bones cam. Nothing flashy, nothing missing, just dependable coverage. A great pick for first-time 3-channel buyers.
Number 9. Nanoby 4K 3-channel dash cam. The Nanoby 4K is one of the easiest ways to get into 3-channel recording. It ships with a memory card included, so setup is genuinely plug-and-play right out of the box. 4K front recording with Wi-Fi app access, and a G-sensor covers the essentials cleanly. Triple-channel coverage handles front, cabin, and rear without fuss. Parking monitor and loop recording are both included, and the wide-angle lenses give you strong coverage all around. It's a no-hassle entry point for drivers who want everything ready to go without extra purchases. Great for buyers who just want it to work. Number 10. FAIMEE 3-channel dash cam. The FAIMEE 3-channel is the best budget option for buyers who refuse to give up 4K front recording. Triple-channel monitoring covers front, cabin, and rear with Wi-Fi connectivity included at a seriously low price. G-sensor collision detection and loop recording handle the fundamentals without issue. Wide-angle lenses and parking monitoring round out a complete feature set that would cost significantly more from a premium brand. It's not going to compete with the Vantrue on image quality, but for the price, it over-delivers. A smart budget 4K pick. Number 11. SARMERT 4K 3-channel dash cam. The SARMERT 4K offers 4K front recording with triple-channel coverage and Wi-Fi connectivity at one of the lowest price points on this list. Loop recording, parking monitoring, and G-sensor protection are all included without any surprises. It does the job for basic front cabin rear coverage without premium frills. For budget shoppers specifically hunting for 4K, this is one of the most affordable ways to get there. Don't expect flagship low-light performance, but daytime footage is sharp and reliable. A cheap 4K option that delivers exactly what it promises. Number 12. SUVCON 3-channel dash cam. The SUVCON 3-channel is a budget-friendly triple-camera setup built for everyday family drivers who need front, cabin, and rear coverage without complexity. G-sensor collision lock, loop overwrite, and parking mode handle everyday protection reliably. Wide-angle visibility keeps the whole vehicle covered. It's priced accessibly, installs simply, and does exactly what a family commuter needs from a dash cam. No app, no GPS, no extra frills, just solid basic coverage. A dependable choice for straightforward everyday protection. Number 13. WECOOL 3-channel dash cam. The WECOOL 3-channel leans into its wide-angle lenses as its main strength, giving you broad monitoring coverage across all 3 cameras. Loop recording, parking mode, and G-sensor protection are all included at a budget-friendly price point.
The compact form factor keeps installation clean and discreet. It's a practical pick for drivers who prioritize field of view over resolution specs. Nothing flashy, but the wide coverage angle genuinely adds value for parking lot situations. Good for wide-angle budget shoppers who want full perimeter coverage. Number 14. Galphi 3 Channel Dash Cam. The Galphi 3 channel offers triple camera protection, front, interior, and rear, in a compact, easy-install package at a very accessible price. G-Sensor event lock and loop recording keep things automatic, while parking surveillance adds a passive security layer. Wide-angle visibility covers the essentials without any setup headaches. It's a no-frills option for drivers who want basic coverage without spending much. Don't expect 4K or app connectivity here, but for reliable all-around protection on a tight budget, it gets the job done. Solid basic protection at low cost. Rounding out our list, the Huntermax 3-channel is the most affordable full triple coverage option here. Period. Loop recording, G-Sensor collision detection, and parking mode are all present for a price that's hard to beat. Easy installation means you're up and running quickly with no technical hassle. It's not going to impress on video quality or extra features, but it covers front, cabin, and rear for drivers on the tightest budgets. Sometimes you just need coverage, and this delivers exactly that. The cheapest full coverage option on the market. So there you have it. The best 3-channel dash cams for every kind of driver. If you want the absolute best, grab the Vantrue N4 Pro S. If value is your priority, the REDTIGER F17 is tough to beat. All links are in the description below. If this helped you out, smash that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss a video.